All right, it's time to create with Quimby. Are you a breakfast in bed fan?
Oh my gosh, yes.
Yeah, well, you need the right tray.
Well,
it kind of
sure.
makes the difference in a breakfast in
Otherwise,
bed.
you're just going to wind up with crumbs where you don't want
It's
them.
going to be everywhere. So that's what we're working on today with our DIY expert.
Yes, the perfect setting here if you want to add some rustic but functional flair to your breakfast presentation. Our DIY extraordinaire, our very own queen. She's the only queen we need. Shannon Quimby. I'm sorry, I'll stop.
It's the Jubilee voice.
It's the Jubilee.
It's a thing.
It's
a thing.
It's my Queen Elizabeth voice. I'll knock it off. Okay, we're so excited to have Shannon here live with us. Good morning.
Good morning, and you can call me Queen anytime.
Yes,
anytime.
Queen Quimby, it's so good to see you.
Yeah, so you talked about this lovely tray that we're going to be talking about making for breakfast in bed, but the month of June is Father's Day month.
Yes.
And I thought, what a great project we can do, because anytime I say to my dad, hey, you want to go to the Parr Lumber yard? He's like, I'm in. Let's go. So it's a great DIY project that you can make together. And then when it's Father's Day, breakfast in bed.
I love that idea. That's great.
Wow. So the project's really easy. You just need 5 pieces, and that's it. So you'll need one large board, and the tray, once again, on all the DIYs I can do, you can custom to your size. But the size of the tray, just get a piece of plywood, and it's a 1 by 1.5. And then you take a 1 by 4 that's 2 feet long, and you cut it in half. Okay. You can do it in 12 inches long. You can do it with your miter saw, aka chop saw, or you can go to Parr Lumber and they can cut it for you. Okay. So now, also, anytime you cut something, especially if you're going to be using it in breakfast in bed or watching television, you want to sand the edges so you get all that rough stuff off and wipe it off. Wipe all the dust. Okay,
I'm with you so far.
Yeah,
I can do that.
Easy.
Saw, sand. Okay, I'm good.
Yes, saw, sand, and saw, sand, stain. So then you want to get some stain, and I use this little foam brush. It's kind of nice because it keeps the mess down if you want to, and you can apply the stain fairly equally on all pieces.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's kind of, see how quickly that is, you guys? Look how fast that is.
Yeah, that's a beautiful color.
And simple to do.
It goes on really well.
Yeah, yes. Travis, I'm always thinking of you, simple to do stuff.
This is good. You know me so well. The simpler, the better.
That's right. So then when you've done that, then you wipe off any excess, and you do it on all 3 pieces, okay? 1, 2, 3. Then you let that dry, and then you take some wood glue, and you're gonna glue both sides, and you see I'm gonna just put one side on one, and one on the other. Pretty easy. Pretend that this is all stained.
Okay.
All right, so then you flip it over like that.
Okay.
So, all right, I'll go get the next one.
Magic of television.
Yes.
Voila.
The process.
So you flip it over, and you want to reinforce it. So you want to get a 1-inch, 4 of them. Whoopsie. 4 1-inch screws, and you're going to screw the boards, because you're going from the bottom of the board, and you're going to screw 4 wood screws in each corner.
Okay.
All right. And
and you want those like short screws because you don't want it to go all the way through to the top. Yeah.
Yeah. Been there, done that. That's why I'm here.
Only have to make that mistake once, right?
Right.
Yeah. So you flip that over, and then I wanted to add something that was, like you said earlier, a little more rustic, a little more utilitarian, and very affordable. You can just go down to the hardware store. These are utility handles, and they're really just a couple bucks a piece. And they're really sturdy also. A lot of times with trays, I notice some trays, they don't have handles, and then you're kind of balancing everything. You're like,
right.
So the handles are nice to have. So once this is all done and dry, then you just, measure and center. I always eyeball, but you can always measure it with a little, with your ruler.
Yeah.
You go, that's you, Emily.
I know.
Right?
I'm the ruler. I'm like, did I have to get it exactly?
And I'm the eyeballer.
You're the
I'm like,
eyeballer?
that looks centered. Great.
I'll eyeball a picture frame, but if they got to be even, I would measure. Yeah.
Exactly. So the cool thing also about these utility handles is they also come with the screws, so you don't have to worry about getting screws. Okay.
Nice.
Yep. You know, and then you just screw the handles in. Easy peasy. You do it 4 times. There's 4 holes, and you're done.
That's
Voila.
great. What a great project.
I know. And then the great thing about this project is that, you know, do it with your family, do it with your dad. Okay.
Yeah.
Spend time with everybody, and then you get to reap the rewards at the end by serving breakfast in bed.
I love that. Well, you mentioned you like to take your dad over with you to Parr Lumber, that he's always game for a trip. Do you ever go there to their showroom to see like if inspiration for these ideas will strike you?
100%, 100%. You got to check out. They've got a showroom in Aloha. They got one in Northeast. And yes, I do field trips all the time to be inspired. You know, that's the best thing about when you go to, especially local businesses like Parr Lumber, is that, you know, they have the experts there. You can ask them questions. You know, if you don't know how to do it and build it, they're here. They got all the materials, one stop.
Yeah,
That's great.
I like cut it for me, please.
Yeah, exactly. You do that. I'll take care of the rest.
Everyone keeps their fingers. Yes.
That's awesome. Well, Shannon, always great to see you. Another great idea, and sure won't be long until we see you again soon with another great DIY idea.
And giving them away.
Ooh.
Oh, there you go.
Parr Lumber
Perfect.
Facebook. Okay,
Perfect. Honestly, it would
check
go well
out.
as like a coffee tray too. When you're done, you can put that on your coffee table as well.
Great. We love
Shannon,
that.
great to see you.
Okay, well, for the full list of materials and instructions to make a wooden tray for yourself, we'll post that for you on coin.com. And if you want a chance to get one of Shannon's that she made expertly, Parr Lumber's Facebook page, go check it out.
All right.